Whiskey Times, now available in stores around the country for only R3.50.
It is KTV powered by World Sports Betting. Maritzburg United 1, Kaizer Chiefs 1. DSTV Premiership on a Wednesday evening. Offside goals, cancelling each other out. Number 11 and number 15. It's all Vilakazi with me. And as if women's offside. Ziyafana macala. Ziyafana macala. Babesesha abantwana befees must fall. It looks like it's coming back now. Hulumende is killing our children again. They were saying, Magunyiwa macala. If you're shooting us, we are going to destroy these schools. Namhlanje bekunyiwa macala in that there was an offside goal one side and the other side there was an offside goal as well. Otherwise, how do you overall view the game, and what was your assessment of the game?
Kokuqala angibulise Nkululeko kuwe, ngibulise uJunior, ngibulise uDrake, ngithi ngibulise uJustice nani lapha emakhaya ngibulise ukuthi no siyacela lo nisupporta njalo. Zobeka nje benjalo futhi angichiki futhi. Nkululeko okokuqala nje singadlaleni ngamehla abantu. It's very important. We need to respect people, and so that nabo abantu bazokwazi ukusirespect. Game today, Maritzburg won. Finally, good was blame about themselves. They had all the chances to wrap the game late in the first half.
Yep.
Even second half, they had 2 or 3 chances. The other one hit upright. I mean, the cross, penalty shout, crossbar. So it tells you that Maritzburg they had a very good plan. Nkululeko, I don't know. Maybe if I'm wrong now, I'm correct. Nkululeko, in football, there's questions. And in those questions, there's answers.
And you always say that.
So you're going to think that I'm correct if I'm wrong. How uqhubeka kanjani negame kuphele 10-15 minutes seeing ukuthi ama opponents are doing one thing to you? Basically one they did the very same thing, and even the coach interview akushilo wathi no, after 5 minutes I saw ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs dlala kanjani, and then I've changed everything, then I've played behind them because of the spaces behind. Same applies to Maritzburg. Middendorf, it did the very same thing. Ufroza was going up, Uzulu was going up. Look at the goal in Maritzburg. It's you going to have the very same mistake week in, week out. Last game against Petro was Katalele nje. They've been not playing for about a year, and babuye nje abadlala a competitive game njengoba sebazodlala Champions League. So I take them serious, and the only thing engiyengayisho was Nkululeko, that game there you could see ukuthi Chiefs bane idea of how they can play, yabona. But now the difference is the intensity today against Maritzburg was not there. And I don't know whether coach Ute, I'll put you guys in Giovanni Dalila against Petro. I'm not going to coach you. You guys must find solution by yourselves. But if you don't give guidance, how can they find solutions by themselves? Look at Upaka and Delta. You don't understand Upaka left back, left midfield, second striker. You don't understand.
In the same game.
It's in the same game. Umanyama yampega now tropiluse midlane. Nangs make useka wide manje wants to cross. Nkululeko, you know, it tells you about planning and coaching. I always say you can put players in the field of play, but if you're not going to coach them, we will see. I love icon. And nama players or coach in a negative way according to their strength. Siyabona lapha. I mean, look at this boy Umashian. I said it, Umashian. I'm 100% sure today he's not going to make a run cutting inside. Because of coach Gavin Hunt, Johan seems to stay wide and put crosses. We won't bother to their cutter in. No. So sometimes we can criticize them players. No, these players they don't apply themselves. But I know as a coach, if a player needs some instructions, arrange, Inga wins. Keep as a coach, because as a coach, don't cross the line. I know why. But if you cross the line, then I take you out. So Nkuleko, you know, indistable man the way Chiefs idlala ngakhona face half. So kona half is a rush. Ngelinokovic, I understand ukuthi ungena kwakhe vele mele benze lento yabo, but mabafuna ukwenza lama crosses wabo ungophi is making runs to the left. Ball to the left, he wants to cut in, and then now ball Celia wide, who is there in the box for cross, expecting Ngobo to go in the box ahead. I mean, I don't understand. Maybe a game mina ngibukelayo or lesibukelayo sibona game wrong. Uzodlala ngamalontuza nama center back 3 second half. When you make changes, ufake defender, keep it defender. Okay, I will understand Katsandi kumkhipha ukuthi already got a yellow card. Ne? All right. But now when you look at your team, do you have players that you can put in those attacking players, they can make a difference, except Nekovic?
I think what other people could argue, and I'm not on that side of that argument, but of course we have to entertain all sorts of argument. Other people could argue that the changes brought about a change. He got 1 and he got a draw. So that means the coach did the right thing. Because when he put was this young man, Ungezana, he then reverted to the flat back 3 to allow him to have those wing backs, because you could see now Ufrosla pushing more forward and Ungezana covering right centre back and right back simultaneously. So one other person could argue, and I know there's frivolous arguments all the time, with fandom, but of course they will make the argument, look, those changes were worked out because the goal came from the right cross, header, and then another header, and then it was a goal.
Ngulego, before that cross go a goal, the very same player Ungezana, he made a foul lapha. It was supposed to be a penalty.
Yeah, I agree.
So if they would say no, but look at this, okay, now penalty lapha, that's number 1. Number 2, that polo le eshaya the crossbar Kasia made. You want to mean, let's not look at that chance Liana Ewan, because it Chiefs in terms of time, I don't see Chiefs scoring, because the way we battle corner, like beginner any idea Oguti, maybe Chiefs in a Koraganj, nothing. Even I know Nekovic, I knew Nekovic is going to make those runs to the left, and then after cutter in, after the combination, that it doesn't work for him. But now, he wide and cross. Where was Nekovic there? He was not there. I think it touched on Ngobo, touched Umanyama, Kwabai goal. When you look at it, you like, okay, it's a goal. They all count at the end of the day, but you must be worried, especially me now as a coach. I'll be worried to Guti. But why I have to score like this? And again, why I have to wait for my opponent to score a goal and then Minabesenyabuya Gings equalize?
All right, are you concerned about the position, number 11? I know where you are is a true reflection of who you are. And I know that there's a game in hand that if Chiefs win, they could easily maybe be number 9 or number 8. I'm not sure about the mathematics, but I remember I just looked at it and I saw that they have a game in hand as well. Are you concerned about the log position and perhaps it could sink lower than this?
Ngulego, kunzima kakhulu for the Chiefs, because noma ngathi Chiefs inama game in hand I4. The way badlala ngakhona kusabantu that ongathemba ukuthi mhlambe kulama game I4 maybe they can get 2 wins and 1 draw and lose 1. Yabo, le game in hand abanayo. For mina kufana ukuthi abana game in hand, because abaknikeze any hope iChiefs ukuthi no, but laba singabadla laba. Khona ama-team ubona ukuthi azini, but laphana singabuya ne-3 point laphaya. Laphana mhlambe draw ingaba njani. But
in this game,
yes,
should have been looking at the
in this game lena ya tonight, mina I saw lose, because Emirates we all over with Chiefs. Ukuthi Chiefs, but I'm saying if football, I would say they were lucky to get that goal. But looking at the game in general, they were nowhere to be seen. So now I came in hand abanayo. I'm still, Chiefs a big team. My worry is kuze kanjani ukuthi from last season balose title with the last it was last 30 minutes and then this season babe laphana ku number 11. That's a worrying factor to me, and we're talking about same players that they were there last season, the whole season, and the same players are number 11. So Nkululeko, it's tough for Chiefs, and it's still gonna be tough because about number 11, and it is also other teams involved. So it means number spot for them to get to number 15. So that's a difficult one. So if Chiefs, they're not gonna really Coach Gavin Hunt come up with some new ideas in terms of the hype in the team, because Nkululeko is very important now, because sometimes Nkululeko, you can coach and coach and coach, but you'll find that as much as you're coaching, your players are down. They need you now to talk to them, come with different minds, change the method of training sometimes, make them to have that smile, bring that confidence to them, make them believe, you know what, guys, yes, we started very very bad, but we can still do it, let's do it for ourselves, let's do it for the team, let's do it for our supporters, so it goes to the coach that now you just need to try and spice on your team. Good to the boys have that confidence, because the confidence is low. But the last 5 minutes you could see they grinding. Yes, by a pusher, but now you could see by a pusher. But now why it has to happen the last 10 minutes? Why can't Ian Zagani from Ikem Mekal?
There you go, Kaizer Chiefs versus Maritzburg United, or the other way around. The home team, Maritzburg United, 1, Kaizer Chiefs 1. Interesting game in the last 10 minutes. I did say on the 80th minute, I said it's going to be a very interesting last 10 minutes, because you could see that Kaizer Chiefs are pushing. But as they were pushing, Musia Medi, Kutumela, there's like Oshubi, there were opportunities for them to profit there, and they could have won this game easily. They could have buried it within the first half. Of course, Kaizer Chiefs well done, at least for coming back into this game as well. Manyama, if you can just be consistent a little bit, that will be brighter for Kaizer Chiefs. They need people like you to up their game, be consistent, score goals, maybe 5 games in a row, who knows, and maybe even your confidence now could pick up as well. itiskitimes.co.za, Tiski TV on Facebook, 91,000 followers on Facebook, over 74,000 subscribers now on our YouTube as well. WSB.co.za, thank you very much for watching us.